We already know the concept unity in diversity. We Indians have different cultures, different religions, and difference in customs and our lifestyle. When we think about these differences, some geographical reasons like differences in the relief features and difference in the climatic condition plays a major role for these differences. Today in this online class we can learn about differences in rainfall and the reasons behind the differences. Those who didn't watch the videos, monsoon and its mechanism, and the rain shadow region and its causes, go for watching those videos that are uploaded earlier. In this thematic map that you see on the screen, we can see the average annual rainfall of India. Blue color is used to show the average annual rainfall of different places. Dark blue colored areas are heavy rainfall regions and light blue colored areas are less rainfall regions. These dark blue colored regions are the regions that are in the windward side of the mountains, and light blue colored regions, especially the whitest areas, are the rain shadow regions of different mountains. First, let us discuss about Cherrapunji, the heaviest rainfall region in the world. Cherrapunji and Mawsynram receives rainfall more than 1000 cm every year. There are two reasons for the heavy rainfall. First, they are located close to the Bay of Bengal. Second, slopes of the Khasi Hills stops the moisture and makes them to ascend. This ascent of the air cause heavy rainfall in the windward side of the mountains. But low altitude regions like Shillong that are located a few kilometers north of Cherrapunji receives just 200 centimeters of rainfall. Many places located west of the Western Ghats receive more than 500 centimeters of rainfall. Nearness to the Arabian Sea is one of the reasons for heavy rainfall. Next, slopes of the Western Ghats make the moisture-bearing winds to ascend. Ascent of air causes rainfall in many places like Mumbai, Mangalore, Mahabalipuram, etc. But places that are in the leeward side like Pune, Bengaluru, Mysore, Coimbatore, etc. receive very less rain in comparison to the windward side. Western side of Rajasthan is a desert because it is located far away from the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon cause heavy rainfall in the northern part of India. Second thing, it is in the rain shadow region of the Aravalli Mountains. Regions south of the Himalayas receive normal rainfall, but the regions north of the Himalayas receive no rain during the monsoon season because the Himalayas never allow the clouds to move northwards. So, regions like Tibetan Plateau, northern part of Jammu Kashmir, etc. are rain shadow regions. But the regions like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, etc. receive considerable rain during the monsoon season. When we go through the satellite images of different places, we find both windward side and leeward side of the mountains.
Subscribe this channel to know about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.